What's up, you guys? So welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But anyways, y'all, this video is sponsored by Arukihair. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but they did send over their Boho locks with human hair. I did purchase this hair from Amazon, so the link to this hair will be in the description box below. It did come with 24 locks in each pack, and they sent over 3 packs. So that is a total of 72. I only used 2.5 packs for my niece, but if you want more of a full look, you're more than welcome to use all 3 packs. In this tutorial, I just want to show you guys step by step on how to achieve this look. So it'll be about 3 or 4 slowed down ways for you to really get a full and in-depth tutorial on how to achieve soft locks. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Everything about the hair will be in my description box below. And once again, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Takers and givers, I've been called the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I usually give away my best, but get into this reset, get into this reset, get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter, get into this reset. Yeah, I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over, owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Only on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah. Reset. Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her. Trip the road from Stockton to Stockholm. Yeah, peace and grace to travel safe through time zones. Adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over, owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Reset. It ain't nothing, no. Me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Reset.
Kanske var det meningen att jag skulle fastna här ikväll. Måste ut, måste bort, ta mig härifrån. När du såg mig under ljuset du startade en eld i mig och visade en väg ut. Lämnar över all kontroll, jag gillar hur du rör mig nu. Flyter vi något som jag drömde om och sagt förut. Vill inte höra maybe, baby, det är dags att ta beslut. Yes, sweet like candy, så tacksam att du fann mig. Mitt hjärta håller space med dig. Jag behöver inget annat så länge vi tillsammans. Mitt hjärta håller
gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. All night, all night. I am B for vibe, moving to my light. I attract what's mine on that QGTM type of time now. I'm not sorry, this drove a Rari. Big energy, his bling was really blinding. Then be my type, scheme with him all through the night. He hits me up and get me paid, and then we catch a flight. From time to time, I know it's wrong, but it feels so right. I know that it feels so right. What's done is done, the devil steady testing me. Tease me gently like expensive trees, like it's your expertise. Touched by V, you know it's blessed. And baby, I need you. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. All night, all night. I need you back. You give me peace of mind, with you I never lack. I want you back. You hold it down just like the piece that's on your back. We argue, we up, we argue, that's love. Them petty games that you play put you through the same thing. Them petty games that you play put you through the same thing. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. All night, all night. I need you back. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me something to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. Cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. Every time I question